allocation of parenting time in Illinois refers to the determination of the schedule and arrangements for when each parent will have physical custody of their child or children following a divorce or separation. Parenting time refers to the actual time a child spends with each parent. The parenting time schedule is detailed and includes regular days, holidays, school breaks, and vacations. The schedule should maximize the child's time with both parents while considering the child's best interests, which includes the child's needs, school schedule, parents' work schedules, distance between parents' homes, and any special needs of the child. Here are key aspects of parenting time allocation in Illinois. Number one, best interest of the child. The primary consideration in determining parenting time is the best interest of the child. Illinois law specifies various factors to be considered in determining what arrangement will best serve the child's needs. These factors include, but are not limited to, the wishes of the child considering their age and maturity, the amount of time each parent spent performing caretaking functions for the child in the 24 months prior to the filing of any parental responsibility proceeding, the mental and physical health of all individuals involved, the child's needs, the distance between the parents' residences and the difficulty and cost of transporting the child, the willingness and ability of each parent to place the needs of the child ahead of their own, to name a few. Let's now get into the parenting time schedule. The schedule can vary greatly depending on the family circumstances and might include a detailed weekly or monthly schedule, a holiday and vacation schedule, special considerations for birthdays, school breaks, and other significant events. Let's now get into joint parenting time. You should know that Illinois law does not presume that equal parenting time is necessarily in the child's best interest, but it does allow for this if both parents can cooperate effectively and it serves the child's best interest. Parenting plan requirements. In Illinois, parents are required to submit a proposed parenting plan to the court, which should include a plan for allocating parenting time. If the parents cannot agree on a plan, the court will intervene and establish a plan based on the child's best interests. Now for holiday and vacation schedules. Parenting plans should address how holidays and vacations will be shared or divided between the parents to ensure that the child can spend special occasions and quality time with both parents. Allocating parenting time in Illinois aims to ensure that, again, children maintain meaningful relationships with both parents while considering their best interests. Consulting with an experienced attorney is crucial when navigating parenting time matters to ensure that the child's welfare is prioritized and legally protected. If you need assistance, call our office now.